Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I want to thank everybody for tuning in, and to all the new subscribers, welcome to the channel. Hope you're enjoying it so far. To all my returning people, I love you. Thank you very much for the support. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button wherever it is. Get the alerts and stay tuned for more videos. We got some more stuff coming up, but today it's a very important thing I want to talk about. I've been battling an injury since May and going through rounds of depression and having an entire summer planned and ready to go with all this fun stuff. And all of a sudden it got stopped because of a 41-year-old in a skate park. When I skate all the time on a very simple trick that I've done since I was 4, and it just happened to roll my ankle. And it wasn't my ankle, but it actually cracked the bottom of my foot here and sprained all my tendons and ligaments and put me out for a while. So we went in for x-rays and met with the doctor, looked over everything, which they should be right here or here. So as you can see the crack in the bottom of the foot. You can see it right there. You can look over in this next one and you can see it's totally gone. It's filled in. Everything's healthy. So that's not the problem. But when it comes to ligaments and tendons, they take twice as long to heal. So that's what I'm dealing with right now. It's fine. I can walk on it. I've surfed. I can hike. I've mountain biked once. And I probably maybe or maybe not should have done that. I knew enough not to push hard, and it was kind of just flat ground trails. But I have not skated yet. I haven't skated once. And it's been killing me because I'm surrounded by parks and great weather. And I had all this stuff planned for relearning a bunch of tricks I haven't done in a while as an old guy. So today what we're going to do is I'm going to go hit the skate park and push around, see how it feels, play on the mini ramp for a bit, and just get a feel to see how everything works and how it's feeling, and to make sure I'm good. Don't want to damage it. I don't want to wreck it. If I got to let this thing heal for a few more months yet, then I will, because my main goal every year is I want to make sure I'm good enough to disappear in the wintertime and head to Nicaragua to the house so I can surf my brains out for a few months. So that is of the utmost importance. As much as I love skating, and skating's been my number one, I don't want to wreck myself and hurt this any farther. So today we're just going to take it easy. We're going to go push around the park and see what happens. So that's what's been happening. Kind of led to a major run of depression. And I had everything and all this good stuff from Mexico and the wedding, and still stuff from Nicaragua and the travels. And we had such a good winter leading into the spring, and I was so pumped for this. And it just, one of those things. Now, it wasn't a major injury, and people definitely have way worse injuries than this, but it does suck when it sets you back, and you got to just push through it, and physio and just stretching all the time and just working my ankle and being very mindful to it definitely helped. So we've got a great fall here now that I know I'm good to go. We got a trip going out to Newfoundland here to St. John's, and we're going to do a bunch of stuff out there, hike all the big trails. We're staying right down on the water, right on Jelly Bean Row. We're going to go out and do that. And then got a concert tonight in Toronto, so we're getting ready to head for that. And we got some more travel stuff coming up here shortly, now that I know I'm good and I can actually stand on my foot. So I want to thank everybody for sticking around and staying tuned, and just want to give everybody an update on what's been happening and how things have been going. So yeah, don't forget, make sure you hit that like and subscribe. Helps the channel grow. I love bringing you this stuff, and it's only getting better as we move forward here. So today we're just going to take it easy. We're going to go push around the park and see what happens. All right, we just jumped out into the car here. We're going to head to the skate park for a little session, see how the ankle feels. Basically just push around. We got everything in the back here. Still got the ladder in here from picking apples. We got everything in the back, skate, helmet, a new set of shoes, which I need a set of high tops now to keep everything supported. So let's go for it. You. this goes okay. It's been a long 4 months, but I made sure to take the time and the effort to physio and make sure the crack in my heel actually properly healed up, and that in the bottom of my foot that there wasn't any issues. I know I'm getting older and I don't skate as much, but I still try to get out every day, every other day if I can, and push around at least or ride the mini ramp. So let's see if we can get back into it here. It's middle of September here in Ontario. So I've still got a good month and a half of skating left before it gets kind of too cold and you got to move indoors. So I'm going to try and get as much in as I can and keep rehabbing my foot. My tendons are still healing, which everything feels really good when I walk and when I move around and when I surf. So I just got to be very mindful to my actions and what I do when I'm at the skate park. So let's go see what happens. Okay, well, we are here at the park. We've done a couple laps, kind of warmed up. Doesn't feel too bad right now, but we're going to try the pump track and play around for a little minute. I don't want to push it too much, so we'll see what happens. See what these old bones can still do. Stay tuned. So many rocks in this park. Still to this day, the top is still here. Whew. Didn't feel too bad. A couple quick laps. We'll get up on the mini ramp here and see how it feels. I do love skateboarding still. For 40 years, it's still amazing. My dad got me into it when I was 4 with a chunk of plywood with some roller skate trucks and wheels on it, and pushed me down a hill in Owenstown, down near the mill dam. Doesn't look that big now when I go there, but it's one of the fond memories I have. And that's what hooked me, was that skate. And that following Christmas, I got a new Hosoya. So, all right, let's keep at it. All right, feel pretty good. Mini ramp felt good. Ramp feels good. Foot feels good. Oh, so much kids showing up. Time to go. I just want to make sure I'm good because I want to be able to challenge Matthew, my boy Matty YPTV, Ras Kitchen. I want to be able to challenge you to the time trials on this pump track. Get your laces tied up, buddy. All right, well, that's enough for today. We're going to get in the car and head back, and then we got to go to Toronto, going for a concert. So, yeah, thanks for watching. Hit the like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Yo.